Samsung is expected to unveil premium Galaxy Tab S9 tablet models in several days, but even before the official launch event kicks off, a small video has started doing the rounds, showing the water resistance capabilities of the upcoming device. Keep in mind that none of the Galaxy Tab S8 lineups had any sort of water resistance protection, so this might be the real deal. Someone on Reddit has leaked a video of what looks like the base Galaxy Tab S9 model continuing to work fine after being subjected to a cup of water. As I have already told that no Galaxy Tab S8 model is water resistant, so assuming that the cup of water was poured on one of the current generation models instead of the newer ones, those units may not have survived the test. Of course, if a device continues to work after it's been exposed to a cup of water, it's not necessarily because the device is officially rated for water resistance, as water damage can take time to make its presence felt, so this video doesn't really tell us anything. However, it does give us our first look at a working Galaxy Tab S9 with the upgraded rear camera design and the presence of just one rear camera instead of two, confirming that it isn't one of Samsung's existing Galaxy Tabs tablets. For those wondering which specific model was being tested, is the base version, which features a single rear camera and seemingly thicker bezels. After the cup of water is emptied, the Galaxy Tab S9 is shown to be working fine, with no problems afflicting the touch interface or lock screen. For those who have been keeping up with all the leaks and rumors, Samsung will launch 3 Galaxy Tab S9 models, a base model, a Plus model, and an Ultra model. Samsung is also working on 2 Fan Edition variants of the Galaxy Tab S9, though those probably aren't going to feature a water and dust-resistant design. The non-Fan Edition Galaxy Tab S9 lineup will reportedly come with an IP68 certification. Our sources had initially told us that it would be an IP67 rating similar to Samsung's mid-range smartphones. But if recent rumors are to be believed, the Korean giant has equipped the Tab S9 series with the same level of water and dust resistance as its flagship smartphones. Those interested in picking up a Galaxy Tab S9 or one of Samsung's new foldables or smartwatches can register their interest on Samsung's website for a $50 credit, at least in the USA.